Question 9. Tick two shapes that have 3/4 shaded. Well, the obvious thing to do here is think about equivalent fractions. Okay? So, because obviously 3/4 is out of 4, and none of these shapes have 4 bits. So the first thing we might want to do is actually write down the fraction of each one that is shaded, and then think about if any of those fractions are equivalent to 3/4. So in this first shape here, there are 8 pieces altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And actually only 6 of them are shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 out of 8. Okay, so let's see if that simplifies. Well, 6 and 8 both divide by 2. So if you divide both of those by 2, okay, you would get 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 6/8 does actually simplify to 3/4. So that is definitely one of the shapes that we need to tick. So we need to be ticking that shape, okay? Let's go on to the next one. So this shape here has got 1, 2, 3 boxes shaded, and altogether there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 3 out of 6. Well, 3 out of 6, 3 is half of 6, so that actually simplifies to be a half. So that's no use because we want 3/4. So we definitely don't want to be ticking that one. Okay, that's a half, not 3/4. Let's have a look at this one down here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares shaded, and then 8, 9 out of 9. So that's 7 out of 9. Well, 7 and 9, the only number they will both divide by is a 1. And so 7 divided by 1 is 7, and 9 divided by 1 is 9. So that doesn't simplify at all, really. That's just 7/9. And 7/9 is not the same as 3/4. So that one we're going to cross. Now, it does say in the question, tick two shapes. Okay, there it says 2 shapes. So we've got to presume that this last one is going to also be 3/4. But let's not just take that for granted. Let's just prove it to ourselves that it does actually work. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 bits have been shaded out of a possible. So we're on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 12 out of 16. Now the question is, does 12 out of 16 simplify to be 3/4? Well, 12 and 16 are both in the 4 times table. So we could divide them both by 4 to simplify that fraction. 4s into 12 goes 3 times, and 4s into 16 goes 4 times. So as you can see, you do actually get 3/4 when you simplify 12/16. And 3/4 is what we're trying to find. So we can tick that one as well. So the 2 shapes that you should have ticked is the top left one and the bottom right one.